What's going on YouTube? I for a long time had the question, what would happen if you removed the RAM from a running computer? And I now know the answer because I've done it a couple times, but I thought I'd document this for YouTube. It's very interesting. So if I'm gonna put my finger down here, I'm gonna pop it, but I'm gonna try to keep it on the screen down here. So I'm gonna pop it out. Right, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, it looks like the computer shuts down. And then starts to give us a warning beep saying, something's going on. This is my test bench. But it's beeping because it's missing a critical component. And so it means it can't boot at all. But what would happen if you had 2 DIMMs and remove one of them? I will show you. Okay, and I have installed a second DIMM. So we got 2 DIMMs in, and now we'll see what happens if you pop one out while the other's still in there, because it will no longer be missing a critical component, therefore it will still stay online. A little glitchy Windows notification there. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, and it just shuts down. In some cases, you will have it where it just sends the entire screen into like a pixelated mess, and that can be pretty scary. And then we get some like amount of system memory has changed, and you can just F1 continue or whatever you choose. But thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't like it, please dislike it so I know not to upload this kind of stuff anymore. Thanks for watching. Quick note, as I was swapping out the RAM to put it away and put the normal RAM back in it, it happened. This is what it looks like when sometimes when you pop out the RAM, and like you can look, if you take it all the way out, it will go black, but it popped out a little bit, so it did that static thing. So just a tip, if that ever happens, just make sure your RAM's in all the way, or if you're swapping it out, take it out all the way, shut your computer down, make sure it's always shut down. That's why you make sure your computer's always shut down when swapping parts, because you don't want anything like that. I personally don't know if it's damaging to the system. I wouldn't risk it, because you never know, and if you damage a component, that can be a lot of money to replace. These are cheap 2 gig DIMMs I have though, so I'm not very worried. But yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing this on your own system because it could be harmful. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully there's no other side notes. This is gonna be like a third of the video though. Alright, thanks for watching. Finally.